Now that we've learned a little bit about the artist Wayne Thiebaud, we're gonna draw our own Wayne Thiebaud inspired cupcakes. The first thing we're gonna do is go up to the bakery and pick out a cupcake that looks interesting. We'll have opportunities to go up to the bakery again and change out for a different cupcake that you would like to draw later on, but start with one. So I'm gonna try to fit 3 cupcakes onto my very large piece of paper. So it doesn't matter to me where you put them, but I'll probably put them 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I'm gonna start with this first one. You know what, I think I'm gonna start in the middle actually. And I'm gonna use a pencil and I'm gonna draw real light until I get it right. Now my paper is so big, so I don't wanna make my cupcake really small. I wanna make it as big as possible. So probably the best part, easiest thing to do would be to start with this bottom part of the cupcake. So I'm just gonna draw a line going across and then 2 lines kind of slanted in and another line at the bottom. That makes kind of that cupcake wrapper. And I see that there's some lines on here too, so I'm gonna put some lines on mine so it looks like it's all wrinkled up or folded like a cupcake wrapper would be. Now I'm drawing pretty dark. You should draw even lighter. I'm drawing dark so you can see it because if I have to erase it, that'll make it easier. Now I'm going to draw some of the frosting. Okay, I don't have to draw it exactly like this one. If I want to change it, I can. And this one has some candies on the top, so I'm going to put those candies on there. Or if I want to put a different kind of candy that I like, I could put on there. This one has a straw to make it look like a drink. I could even put a birthday candle on there if I want. Okay, and now I can go turn this into the bakery and get my new cupcake for another idea. Now that I'm done with that idea, I can return this to the bakery and get another cupcake idea for my 3rd cupcake. If you have lots of room, you can maybe end up putting in 4, but I'm drawing mine nice and big. Okay, so I'm gonna choose a new cupcake. Now that I'm done with all 3 cupcakes, I'm going to put in something called a horizon line. A horizon line we will learn about later in art, but just think about it as it gives it a place for the cupcakes to sit. So it's kind of like the edge of a table in this painting, or this right now it's a drawing. So that line kind of makes it so they're just not floating in the air. This is like the wall behind it, and this is like the table, okay? Next, I want to take a black crayon, and I'm going to trace everything I drew because tomorrow we're going to paint this. And when we have the black crayon on there, it does kind of a cool magic trick I will teach you about tomorrow. But do you see how I'm tracing everything I drew? So I'm going to go slowly over that.